Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the name of your computer in Windows 10. This can be helpful when different computers are connected in a network and I want to see which computer belongs to whom. It's pretty simple to do. For that I'm on the desktop right now. Now I right-click on the Windows button and select System. Here I find my device specifications and the current device name. And I want to change it now. For this I click on Rename this PC and now I can assign a new name. When I'm done I press Next. The change becomes effective only after a restart. I will not do this right now, otherwise the tutorial would stop here, but it's what you should do now. And with that we are done. Pretty simple, but you have to know where the function is located. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!